give up, baby. Nah, give up. I mean, the love vibes.
We're ready, so we can't give up.
Yeah, understand.
I'm at them try to hold me back. Me not stop till me reach the top. My God, now go give up on me. Now go give up on me. My God, now go give up on me.
Hello vibes, big up yourself, your papa. We not give up.
And careful out of the road there, brother.
Careful, papa, cause trust me. Oh, it's a thing I coming like he come to destroy the world.
Oh, look much things we have here.
Show them the what is it?
This is for the hemorrhoid, them say a fiber. Oh, this my cousin Clive called me and tell me say yo use them in a steam. Trust me, them rare. Full of emergency. Vitamin C.
Yep.
So for my boy this. Terror flu. This is for my boy again. You know what I mean? And we use the something and our tongue. Everything with there. All white rum.
Guys, you know me feel better. Me there cook.
Alright. Yeah, I mean, around us now we have
still not take it easy still, you know.
Gator aid and all. I don't get it. Power aid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Power aid
and big up Mama Laverne.
Yeah man, Laverne.
She bring something this we not drink none of this, but we eat the fruits them and the banana we have banana where she bring and them something and soup and them something, you know what I mean?
She's still so good. We just get a phone call from our friend Dasha, big up yourself. She said if we need anything, make sure you know. She call for checking upon way. It's so amazing when you're in such a detrimental state and you have people who care.
We just know who are who, man, and it's not everybody call.
Yeah, and everybody call
yeah.
and everybody reach out to help we and everything, and we really appreciate it. Oh my God. Just saying it is not even enough to me feel grateful for them.
Yeah.
You know? We just have to thank everybody who reach out and stick with through this thing, and you know?
Yeah. Bam bam still heavy though. Heavy.
Well, what the COVID can't test bam bam?
Why all of my
bam bam better than COVID.
All of my little muscle and sitting gun it look like to blow.
Cause we not eat. We just there cook up something. How you clean? She's like, I told her, I said, you go to her house, she take your temperature, she tell you go straight to the sink, wash your hands, and she wear her mask and everything. She's so clean. So, but you know, it's just one of those things. No matter how clean yet, you know, you just.
That's
it's one of them things, you know.
That means you know it's like COVID real.
It's real.
Real.
Yeah, and don't think that look a flu you go get. So I mean, everybody different still, but
yeah, everybody different. Because where you go through, me not go through it.
Yeah.
I know me not have no fever, no ear, nothing at all.
I'm tell you with COVID come to take you out, and you have to fight. You have to fight it.
So you say you're a bad girl?
Yeah.
Are you not bad yet? Wait till when you go right through now, you know
yeah,
it's
alright. Remember not talk too soon.
Yeah.
When me get test negative.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I think.
Yeah, man, but people, there's not much time I got to tell enough to be careful and wear on the mask and do whatever. But I mean, I know. And then the Delta come ready for it like you want. Yo, I mean, I know.
So me clean up my sleep spot here because right now from me sick I saw me there, you know. Cause me can't sleep on the bed, me don't know. You so just comfortable, brother, me don't know what go on. But me get up this morning and clean up here and thing, you know what I mean? And that's why things said still, you know.
You know what I like? We work together as a team. You get up this morning, while I was resting, you clean up.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna make something for my baby eat.
Yeah.
Whatever we eat. But you know, I say go have to work together and help each other, you know?
I read that, man.
So that's what I'm doing. Take a vitamin and
you know, after me do them video there for them two people there, you know I hope a vlogger come, you know. You know what I mean? Hope a vlogger come, because yeah.
We miss you guys.
Alright. You understand me, I say? And I know no miss with too.
Yeah.
So, let's say things set.
A sweet dish.
It's sweetish.
A little bit.
Well, not put no more in there.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so I want to cook some mashed potato and you don't know our favorite lobster.
Lobster in the oven.
I want the lobster drop on the social media. See lobster again there. So we're not even showing how I go on because I don't see how she deal with lobster already. Bam, 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 bam.
Sure. Hey, me bam bam now.
Yeah, man, and you know me there I drink some upper bush tea and sit and see him.
Oh yeah.
See, man? Upper bush tea. I have everything and everything. I have turmeric and I have me they saying key lime and all them something. So
Guys, that turmeric sitting there around my belly.
yeah. I say things set, man, but they don't know things set already, no, man. So they are going to hold it as usual, you know?
Yeah.
So as me I say again, I don't want the man them and the woman them where I owe them video because them pay for it already. I don't want to do it. It's not like that. The hemorrhoids, I can't sit down around the computer. So just give me some time, brother, and then I go to bumps and have COVID-19 back at it too. So, you know what I mean? Just give me some time, man. I say, man, I soon touch the road again, man. I'm ready for video and all of that again. You know what I mean? So, big up on yourself, man.
Several days later.
Hey guys, we are here. We've been quarantining for more than 10 days, right? Yeah, it's been like 2 weeks. Today's what, Wednesday?
You know Wednesday?
Yeah.
Today's Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday?
Yes. Yesterday was Monday, the first day of school.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. See, so yeah, we've been quarantining and stuff, but right now we have to run out to go get some stuff. Hubby's gonna make soup. That's the best thing for us right now, is soup. You know, fast food and all that stuff is not good for us. We need some good food in our body.
And fast food, no good.
Period.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not good, period. So guys, I doubled up on my mask. I have on 2 masks. We're just gonna run in real quick and get some stuff so we can cook. And yeah, our friend, they're like family to us though. Cindy and Fidel, and they you know, dropped off some stuff for us last night.
Yo, Cindy, the green juice.
Green juice, mama.
Now yourself, mama. I'm start touch back the road and work again. I go buy some for you. I love it.
Yep. And she made this, she blended up some stuff, garlic and lemon zest and
Don't give her
some
that.
other ingredients.
Yeah, don't give her that.
And that stuff, guys, it works so good. She's like, put a teaspoon of it in hot water in the morning and drink it. Oh my God, the amount of mucus I coughed up and spit out. Sorry guys. Yeah, the amount of mucus I coughed up and spit out, man, that thing is so good. And then she said right after I drink that, you know, take a little break and then drink the green juice. Drink the bottle of green juice, room temperature. I'm gonna show you guys the green juice when I get back to the house, that she brought for us. It tastes so good. It tastes good to me. Not a lot of people would like it if you're not a vegetable type of person, or you're looking for something sweet tasting. It's not for you. But right now, I don't care if it's not sweet or sour. I don't care. As long as it's gonna help me and put back all those nutrients back into my body, I'm good with that. So we're just headed to Fiesta right now. We're gonna pick up some things in Fiesta, so you guys just stay tuned. I'll show you guys what we get. We're really just gonna make some Jamaican chicken soup, and so yeah, so we're gonna park and we're gonna go in Fiesta, so you guys just stay tuned. All right guys, so we're here at Fiesta. The sun Piping hot. Here's Yuri and Daddy. It's just been us lately because DEVO is at my cousin's house. Shanice, thank you so much, baby. Shanice, thank you so much for holding down my baby. Oh my God, thank you for holding down my baby, taking her to school and picking her up, taking her to school, picking her up, taking her to practice, picking her up, taking her to work and picking her up. Oh my God, you're an amazing cousin. I love you so much. I thank you so much for all your help and everything that you have done. We have so many people to thank. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, we are here in Fiesta with all these fresh, nice fruits and veggies. It looks so beautiful in here.
Yeah, man, soup, you know?
Yeah, man.
I get some cocoa.
Alright. Had a little cough there. Man, bring him knife.
Yeah, man.
Test out this with them.
Yeah, man, something, buy something, and then, okay, look on this.
It gotta be all white.
Look on this. And look on this.
And I got the cart. Well, it's a basket.
Right.
Right now you want a cocoa, don't you? Alright, so let's want 2 cocoa.
They got a new setup in here. I like it.
Yeah. I couldn't find them.
Corona free. It's a corona
I'll
free
get some
setup.
yum and I eat that either. That's pretty and yellow, right?
Yeah.
That's all you hear in Fiesta is music and ball. What is that?
Yum.
Yum.
That's a big
Yes.
yam. That looked like a piece off of a tree.
So I love okra. I put okra in everything. But when I test okra, we do like this.
If it snap,
If it snap, you know it's good.
it's good.
That's what I say, you know, pop off. So I'm going to show you a good one. See, pop
Pop
off?
off, yep.
That's a good one.
I
See?
didn't teach me that.
Okay.
Really?
Alright, this good, daddy. You not get heavy?
I helped my daddy find the perfect amount.
Good, good. Show you what, alright?
Water.
Yeah. Follow me. Pumpkin nose, got nose. Good there now, let me see. Oh, one flour. A flour not there. Flour there, but a self-rice.
I get one of them chips. Clutch. Guys, I like these plantain chips. They're so good. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you everything once we get home. All of the stuff we bought. And yeah, so guys, just stay tuned. Alright guys. We're back home. Reach home. Hope y'all cut up some chicken. I'm gonna make soup, take out the pots and everything. I'm here wiping down the groceries right here. With my Clorox wipes and stuff. Because I'm back to wiping down the groceries. I can't be bothered with this foolishness with this corona thing, so I'm wiping the stuff down, everything we touch. I'll be chop up a chicken. So we'll get some cock soup, pumpkin soup flavor for the soup. Get some plantain chips and sweet plantain chips, the whole heap of vegetable and stuff are going to the soup. So yeah, you don't know when the soup start bubble and it's something them I cut up. I will show you guys and keep you guys posted. But yeah, if nobody never know, my husband a real chef. Okay?
Tell them no.
Real chef in a real life. Yeah, so you don't know.
Restaurant call me. No, exactly no.
No, I'm a chef in family. So you don't know. So I'm gonna get everything prepared. So you guys just stay tuned. I'll come back on the camera once I'm done wiping down the rest of the groceries and stuff to make sure that we're safe. I'll come back on the camera. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. So we are doing thing. Yeah, that's the thing. That's on the stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. I have to vlog off on my phone because the camera battery dead and stuff. But yeah, before Obi even put the chicken in the water, him season the chicken.
Yeah, I like season my chicken before because sometimes you drink soup nice and when you bite the meat now not like, no, I don't like that.
Yeah, so.
And do the dumpling already.
Oh yeah, him need the flour.
The dumpling, the flour, yeah.
You need the flour is a set.
Yeah.
And then here's the chicken, guys. Well seasoned. You see that? Well seasoned. And then we just put on the water to make the soup. This water is alkaline water. We don't use water from the faucet to cook because we don't trust the water here. So water up on the stove. I gotta boil up, you know. And these are all the ingredients we got. We have celery, we have carrots, we have scallion, we have sweet potato, them call it boniata. And this is okra. What is chocho? No, chocho.
That's a cocoa first.
Chocho, right as well. I will have cocoa, right as well. Yam. A big piece of yam. I will have green banana. So yeah, guys, we're gonna chop up the vegetable them and all of them something a little bit more. But for now, we're just getting the pot prepared. And while he's doing that, I was over here cleaning up a little bit, spraying down all the couches, spraying down the door handle. And guys, I use this to spray on the door handles and the light switch, the remote, everything you can think of. It kills germs for 24 hours. And yeah, so I was wiping down stuff with my wipes. I was with the Lysol. I have a bunch of Lysol here. Yeah, and I'm sitting here with hubby doing some work, editing and uploading a video for you guys. So yeah.
Yeah, what?
Starting back to YouTube.
Yeah, but this I know putting some water. That's not get dull black or you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. So I like putting my dumpling first and then my yellow yam in the water because then I can mash up, you know.
Right. Yeah. So this is where we at now. I hope you just cutting up everything and getting everything prepped and ready for the pot. And yeah.
I ain't made a man cook fast, you know. So you know, say in the next hour, soup ready.
That's an hour is an hour, Daddy. That's long.
Long?
That's 30 minutes.
Yeah, but guess what?
What?
Some people are cook all 3 hours. That matter.
So, I'll be that in the kitchen and see it. Sonny right here, chill with me. But Sonny, if I go get up now, because I have work to do on a laptop there. So, when I don't know it, go already. You guys stay tuned. Right, guys, pot a bubble. We are putting in the dumpling them. You want to make the dumpling them?
I want to help him, but he said no.
No.
Not today, Daddy.
Yeah, today another day for that. So, see? Put in some spinners and thing. cut up a portion of the vegetable or something. Them there to send a water. Because I'm going to change color and ugly up. Chicken I wait for going in and thing. So,
And I'm waiting.
This is it, guys. Soup, this is what we need. Some good soup, homemade soup. So, guys, just stay tuned.
Guys, the chicken waiting to be put in the pot. Those are being waited